So the first level is actually pretty interesting because before the level even starts, there's a pretty interesting glitch with the timer. Basically how it works is if you hold a direction key and then hit the speedrun button, the pirate will move, but the timer won't start. So you can see if I hold right and then hit S to start the speedrun, which is a shortcut, you can see that the pirate is moving to the right, but the timer isn't starting. And it will start the second you press another direction. Okay, so the first and simplest way to complete level 1 is just the intended route. So going left, hopping in the crate, and then doing a crate boost to the right to collect the chest. And this takes 1.63 seconds and is super easy to do. You can make it even easier by holding left and then hitting S so the timer won't start, and then waiting a few frames and then jumping, and this just makes it easier to instantly hop in the crate. If you hit S without moving at all and you try and just jump into the crate without using the timer glitch, it's actually pretty difficult to get there and immediately start moving to the right. So use the timer glitch to make it super simple. So I would suggest going for this if you're new to the game, because Fast 1 is really hard to do. Okay, so in order to do Fast 1, you hold right and then hit S to start the speedrun. So you're using the timer glitch, and you're going to go all the way up against the right hand wall, and then your timer should be at 0 at this point, and then you jump, and then stick to the wall, do a ghost jump, and then ledge clip at the very top. And the fastest way to do this, which the TAS uses, is 0.75 seconds. I believe the fastest humans have done is just a little bit slower than that by a frame. And then usually when I do it in full game attempts, it takes about 0.85 seconds or so. So is it humanly possible? Yes, it's not just a TAS thing. And I would suggest you start going for this when you're trying to get somewhere around sub 78, maybe even sub 80. And the reason I say this is because it saves about a second, but it's really hard to do. It's one of the hardest glitches in the game. But the reason you can start doing it so early is because it's the very first level in the game. So you can kind of just keep restarting here without having to worry about losing any progress.